Plastic pollution is everywhere, from city streets to remote beaches. In the Baltic Sea region alone, around 70% of marine litter is plastic. Globally, 11 million tons of plastic enter our oceans every year, a number expected to triple by 2040 if no action is taken. But change is possible. All around the Baltic Sea region, organizations, communities, and initiatives are rethinking how we use, manage, and dispose of plastic waste. From waste reduction efforts and circular design to local awareness campaigns, the region is rich in best practices and innovation. Among these efforts is BALTIPLAST, a project committed to reducing plastic waste by working directly with those who can make a difference, businesses. Our goal is simple: to support businesses in their transition away from single-use plastics and towards a future-fit circular business model. We do this by offering hands-on support, expert advice, and new tools designed to help companies embrace more sustainable practices. Here are some of their stories, proof that progress is possible and already happening. What motivated you to participate in the BALTIPLAST plastic inventory pilot?
Taip, esu Lina Misiukevičienė, atstovauju Kauno regiono plėtros agentūrą, kurios misija yra vykdyti veiklas nukreiptas regiono ekonominio ir socialinio gerinimo vystymui ir plėtrai bei ES politikai įgyvendinti ir dalyvauti Baltic plastiko tyrime. Iš tikrųjų, mus paskatino informacija internete.
What did you learn by conducting the inventory?
Inventorizacija parodė, kiek daug plastiko turim ir galbūt tikrai ne visada ir ne visur jis reikalingas. Tai privertė susimastyti, iš tikrųjų privertė pamatyti, kiek be reikalo naudojama ir tada dar kartą pergalvoti, kiek mums reikia įsigyti, ar galim panaudoti tą patį, ką turim antrą kartą.
How did the project boost sustainability for you?
Jau kaip minėjau, mes panaudojam antrą kartą tuos pačius, sakykime, organizacijoje naudojamus daiktus, tai vat kaip tas vardinės korteles, dėžutės ar ten kažkokios tas plastikinės įmautės, tai neišmetam, o panaudojam antrą kartą ir toks ir tas pokytis. Tai jeigu naudojam daugkartinius indus, tai reiškia vienkartinių nebeperkam.
Involving companies in plastic reduction initiative is very important because companies use a large amount of plastic, so when company acts, the impact is much bigger and they can influence suppliers and customers to act the same way. So without companies on board, it is much harder to make real and lasting change.
Are you ready to become part of the change? The BALTIPLAST guidebook and sessions with specialists are here to support your journey. Visit our website and follow our LinkedIn account to learn more.